I think I saw you at this charity event in Miami.
Yes.
And we've been staying in touch since, I remember, but we're always chatting online, no?
Always.
But you look amazing.
You always checking me out on my DM.
Of course, I freaking love you.
Thank you.
I
love
see
you
you
too.
I've checked a lot.
No, but honestly, I thought you had a thing for me.
Do you know what? I actually did. No. I remember hearing about you for the first time. And then when I checked her, I was like, wow, she's beautiful. No, but I love what you're doing for the culture, girl. You're doing your thing.
Too.
Queen of Compas.
Thank you,
I
girl.
love that.
Compas is the music of Little Haiti. My name is Florence El Luce, and I am the queen of Compas.
I love what you're doing.
Thank you, babe.
You're representing us very well. Although you're saying that I say about so I want to dig into that. What do you mean by that?
Ouais, c'est un gros problème. Parce que pour moi-même, sentim c'est une qui plus gros haïtienne qui fierté de pays li, toujours à Haïti, toujours représenter Haïti, even l'emte Miss Haïti. Actually, haïtien gon bagay la kayo, yo prend moi, yo just fourre moi from modeling, yo di, oh, you're gonna be Miss Haiti. No training, nothing. So I find myself doing this beauty pageant in Bolivia with Saroj. I won Miss Congeniality that year, and then I was the first Haitian to represent that actual pageant.
Ooh.
And then Saroj went in the second year, and she won the actual title, which was great. You know, depuis une gagne, nous tout gagne.
Exactement.
But I don't know. I just feel like I'm always super Haitian, and then of course I got on the show, The Real Housewife of Miami.
Hi. How are you? Hi. How are you?
Beautiful.
Thank you. So you.
Last night, things got very ugly between me and Lisa. And I got on it because I'm Haitian. They want me to represent my country. And I just feel like Haitian doesn't know who I am, but I don't understand. Mpa kompran.
Why do you feel that? Is it because by involved plus bagay you more connected to the American world? Because me, I'm very connected to the Haitian world. I'm connected to my fan base, my Flow Nation, everybody. I'm part of music videos. I do events. I sing in Creole. I rap in Creole.
I think that's the difference. I feel like I'm very engaged in the American culture. The American culture embraced me as a Haitian.
Sac passe.
Oh my God, you speak Creole.
I only know that phrase.
Oh, and then we gotta teach you some more words.
Season 7, still no mojito in the hand. We gotta get you one at the bar tonight.
Listen, like I said, God timing is everything. But m'pa tan kou Florence, m'pa fè musique, ou pa comprendre tan kou fè musique en haïtien, tout haïtien connaît qui moun ouye. Moi-même, let's say m'fè mannequin Haïti lè ça nous pot ko tellement mannequin pas tellement populaire dans sens l'aime t'a fait li. So, et pas pour dire m'pas de vle haïtien, m'te toujours haïtien, mais plus qu'elle pas ton domaine qui en pile haïtien te connaît dans l'aime de commencer à, nous te vinn obligé pas connaître qui m'pas ka tellement di haïtien. Oh, so mannequin, because they'll be like, oh, okay, we didn't really know what it was. But now tout haïtien connaît qui ça lié, même senti dans domaine dans moment ça malgré yo connaissait ça m'te yé. I'm pas connaît. I don't know, because I feel like I'm doing everything I can. I'm just confused because I just feel like I'm the most Haitian person. No, if I
But when was the last time you were engaged? When was the last time you did something for the culture?
Babe.
Que te involve? Est-ce qu'on allait dans Compas Festival?
What for you invite me? Qui moun ka invite me dans Compas Festival pour mal la donner?
You don't know people? You don't know the promoters?
I don't know the promoters.
You don't have a manager? You don't have
I have
a
a
PR?
manager, but my manager is more involved in the American
And
culture.
you see you doing the wrong thing.
Oui, mais mes amis.
You on publicist. Qui dans
Ou connaît
communauté
un
haïtienne?
ou connaît un bon publiciste dans communauté haïtienne?
I mean, me,
But j'aime penser de ça.
there are a few publicists
but
that
connais?
I know of. Yeah.
Oh, okay, well, that could be a next step.
Yes, that can put you into everything that's going on in the Haitian world. Have you spoken to, what's her name again? L'Union Suite?
M'konnais
Wanda?
Wanda connaît moins bien. M'konnais un pile monde, même just feel like they never really push like I'll go to event. I know a lot of the artists. I know you, of course.
Yes.
But love post them when people probably like, oh, who is this girl? Oh, Kiki from Housewives.
Then
But
they find out who you are.
now they will. But I just feel like we needed to do this because I need someone to properly introduce me and say, hey, she's Haitian.
Well,
she's
guys,
one of
this
us.
is Kiki and she is Haitian. So introduce yourself to the Haitian world then.
OK. Haïtien yo, si gen yon moun ki pi Haïtien pase mwen mpa kon, même mwen pi Haïtien que Florence, OK? Parce que Florence chante en créole. Tu peux dire que Haïtien pas parle anglais.
Really?
That's how I feel like. Parce que l'aime parler américain, dit comme ça me gen accent. Mais l'aime parler créole haïtien, dit comme ça, oh my God. Even though you have an accent, it's more like European. Yeah, I lived in
it's
Europe.
more like European.
You know,
Yes,
I lived
was
in
just
like
gonna say that.
before
I
I
love
got
your
on the
accent.
show, I lived in Romania, but it's just weird. I don't know. We just need to break that barrier and start first. So from now on, I need to start going to Haitian events, which I do.
Fwal nan bal, fwal nan se kompa, fwal nan...
Toujours al nan bal, oui. Mal nan New Look, mal nan classe, mal nan...
Se peut-être fò fè mannequin
Gade,
pou
lè m'a
ti
bin lan nan
monsieur.
machine mwen, se m'tap tan de Cadillac a me... Like,
Oh.
m'te supposé dans des Florence plutôt. Non, but m'tandem vraiment involved. M'gen charité en Haïti, m'toujou aidé, m'toujou al Haïti. Puis si mwen m'te kon leve matin misit, après midi mal manje Haïti, nan matin m'leve m'tourne. That's how much I love my country.
Yeah.
Of course, m'baka ale kounya parce que m'te gon dernier experience m'dal Haïti.
What
It was
happened?
no, it was grave. Yeah, yo te rale zam sou mwen. So, yeah, depuis lè sa m'ba ale encore. Ça son.
So di nan
Oh,
yo
you-
gade zam sou?
Yes. On pa kè moun pa konen, but
That would
it's
traumatize
bad.
me.
It's well, pa al Haiti depi lè ya.
Pou ki sa yo gade zam sou, Kiki? Ou te gen
It
$1
was
million
just,
nan moun?
no, Sherry, it was just regular with driving with my stepdad and you kape machine nan. You pat fè nou anyen, but at the end of the day, I think you pat fè nou parce que normalement, bopè mwen, mari maman mwen, he lives in Haiti, li kondi truck and li toujou ap deliver gas. So I think li toujou servi ave yo
Avec
and they
moun
know
la
him.
yo,
Yeah,
okay.
so it's like they let us go. But that was my last experience and it was
And you never went
not-
back?
No. Tout lè mte nan show, a tout lè show a mte pral Haiti, oui.
Ah bon?
Yeah, I love Haiti. Mkon reti si mal Haiti, I feel so much better.
Pale
But
mte
pale
show
mde
aki.
ou. Mwen pali mwen se ou men kap interview mwen.
I know,
No
right?
problem.
It feels like that.
Pale mde ou. Mkone ki moun ou ye men Florence. Ki sa kap pase kounye? What's new, girl? You look amazing.
Thank you, thank you,
You
thank
glowing.
you. Thank you. Well, right now I am pretty much focusing on my business.
Ou tu pa jam invite mwen nan
Cigarette
grand opening yo. I've
skin.
never been to your store. Yeah.
I know I have the beauty bar in Miramar. It's the #1 beauty bar in South Florida. It's
Kilo ap
the
invite
biggest
mwen?
one in South Florida. Very
That's
soon,
nice.
m'a invito. It's doing amazing, and now I'm focusing on expanding my beauty brand.
That's good.
You know, I have a cosmetic line, Surrett Cosmetics, focusing on skincare right now. Before, I was doing beauty, eyeshadow, lipstick, but now I'm more focusing on my skincare line.
Okay, I need to
target,
stop by.
You know, I help people target hyperpigmentation, discoloration,
that's
uneven
nice.
skin tone, vitamin C, carrot line.
Pise mwen bezon, parce pou boudam tout noir.
Check to that.
Yo, it's so funny because I was asking my mom, di maman pa kompran, but I'm gonna pa jwen soleil. No, but you know sometimes, like, I understand what you're saying, so now your skin is like two different color tone. And
Yes, discoloration.
so my bini.
Kounen, se nan bagay sa tou nan show a, yo te try to drag me with that thing.
You know how TV
making it
is.
seems like it was something that I had against people, but no, I actually help people. You know?
Moun yo pa kompran,
But-
gen moun ki gen problem nan skin. Pa pou
Yo
di
pa
tout moun
kompran.
ki pase bagay nan pou yo se blanc,
Yeah.
rezon blanc, ou bien se
Non, yo pa oblige
koule yo pa
blanc.
remen.
Voilà.
Ou konen gen moun genou yo noir, and then they...
Hyperpigmentation,
Yeah,
you
exactly.
produce more melanin in
Yeah,
certain areas.
areas.
So pretty much, you know, they need something to help them even out their skin tone.
But you know what? You cannot control what people think. Even me, I went through something also last season. It was like
Yeah.
a little dramatic. But at the end of the day, you have to do you.
Yo, what
People
you
gonna
gotta
have their
do.
opinion. And if
Yes.
they don't understand, the more they talk, please popular
Yep.
for popular petit point.
Yep.
Kite yo pale.
And that's why now I'm cool. I'm just chilling, focusing on my business.
exactly what you
focusing on
should
my
do.
growth. And sometimes, you know, you need to have certain transition pour capable joindre bigger opportunities, better opportunities, do other things.
Right.
And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm focusing on my family, my businesses. You know how reality TV gets.
Ki yon ti moun yo e?
Yo bien, oui, yo très bien, yo fin grand.
Ki l'âge yo kounyen?
3 petits garçons,
3 garçons,
19.
kote ti moun sa yo sorti? Bouchou?
Non, yo coupe, yo prend yo.